Every day, we use products made from PVC, often without even realising it. From our homes to our hospitals and almost everywhere in between, PVC plays a crucial role in modern society. Not all plastics are created equal, and there are some key differences that put PVC in a category of its own when it comes to durability, versatility, reliability, and meeting both environmental and economic needs. Unlike other forms of plastic, 57% of PVC's makeup is derived from salt, an abundant natural resource. Today, sustainability is at the forefront of our minds, driving decisions from consumer goods to construction projects. And in a world where longevity is paramount, PVC shines. With exceptional resistance to corrosion, weathering, and environmental degradation, products made from PVC can remain in use for generations. When a PVC product reaches the end of its useful life, it can often be recycled into new, long-lasting PVC products. Unlike some materials that degrade during recycling, PVC retains its quality and integrity through multiple cycles. By incorporating recycled PVC into new products, we not only conserve resources, but also reduce waste and carbon emissions, making strides towards a net zero future. One of PVC's most remarkable qualities is its inertness, ensuring it remains safe for people, waterways, and our planet. With a proven track record after multiple decades of use, PVC is ideal for applications where human health and well-being is paramount. From supporting critical medical care to maintaining food at optimum freshness, PVC supports our health and well-being. The Vinyl Council of Australia works diligently with our partners across the PVC sector to ensure that as an industry, PVC remains at the forefront of safety, sustainability, and longevity. With a strong global focus on our environment and the ever-increasing cost of materials, now more than ever before, using durable and cost-effective PVC products makes sense. Build a better world with PVC.